Well, hey family, happy Friday. This is Darlene. I need to pack up some orders for beads, so I figured I would bring you along for the process. I have 5 orders to ship out for the hand painted beads, and in each order they get 20 uh, 20 millimeter beads. So I'm trying to make sure I don't show people's addresses and personal information on here. And these are just the packing slips. And on the packing slips, I usually just write thank you. And then I sign my name, Darlene. So that's what's going on now. We write thank you, and then I sign it, Darlene. That's 2. And then thank you, Darlene. Thank you, Darlene. And then thank you, Darlene. Let me see if I can try to hide some of the. So I basically just write thank you, and then Darlene is either order number, the date of the order, quantity was 1 because they ordered 20 of the hand painted beads. So all I do is I'm gonna have to package them up. I do need to do some more painting probably over the weekend. So I just do 20 random. So that's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, another one of these, 19, and then a pretty red one, that'll be 20. And then I'm going to recount just to make sure. 2, actually that's 3. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I generally put 1 extra, so just in case I miscounted at some point. So they basically get 20, actually 21 because I always add an extra. So 21 20 millimeter hand painted beads, and I always include my QR code. So whenever they scan the QR code, this is what happens. When they scan the QR code, that comes up, and it takes them to a link tree, and then it gives my online portfolio. So they can find all my social platforms on here, the website, the Jerk.edk, digital magazine, all that good stuff. So that's what happened, and I always include the QR code in every package, be it beads or jewelry. And I close it up, nice and neat. And right now I'm just prepping. So this is how it's packaged. And I grab my little sticker. Oops. And the sticker says, love what's inside, snap, share, review. And the sticker goes right here. And then this is how the beads are sent out. They're packaged up just like this. So we're going to just go ahead and let me see, I was going to do everything. And because they're small envelopes, I have to kind of fold them to get them into the envelopes, because I'm not going to be using really huge envelopes. There's really no reason for it when they can literally fit inside of this envelope. So this is how they're packaged, and I have the labels. I'm going to print those out, and they're the stick-on labels, and I'll just put those on there. For the sake of people's personal information, I'm not going to do that yet. I'll just go ahead and show you guys how I package them up, and then we'll work on our second order. And we want 20, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then 21. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, so 21. And then we take our QR code, copy of our QR code, put it in the order. And these are self-seal bags I get off of Amazon. And I like for it to be perfectly folded. I don't like stuff to look raggedy, like, you know, if you're shipping it to people or anything that I do, I don't like it to look raggedy. It has to be, I think I'm more like a perfectionist in a way, because I don't like things to look half done, or even like when I'm doing events or planning different things. My whole mindset is I would rather be waiting on the day, not the day waiting on me. And what that means is I don't like to rush to get stuff done. I know some people that'll wait until the last minute to actually start doing things and putting things in place and doing all that stuff. I don't like doing that. I like everything to be done before the date of an event. And then that way, all we have to do is show up and do what we need to do. Because as you know, with events, there's a lot of prepping and things that go along with that, right? So I don't like doing that. I like having stuff done months in advance. Like it's done. You don't even have to think about that. And the reason why I do that is because you never know what a day is going to bring. You never know what a day is going to bring in between the date for that event. So I like to have stuff already done. And a lot of people don't like to operate or work that way. And those are the type of people I don't like working with. And if a person does things and it's not neatly done, or it's not done with integrity or with pride, or, you know, like the best that you can put into it, I don't work with people like that. I just can't do stuff like that. So call me a perfectionist, and more than likely that's what I am. But anyway, this is what this looks like packaged up. But I just can't stand that, or waiting to the last minute. I don't like to even like start things late. If you say 7 o'clock, start this at 7 o'clock. You know, and I think people have a bad habit of waiting for people to show up. Don't be waiting on them to show up. They should have been here. Have enough respect for the people that are already here. And let's get this party started. It's like this doesn't make no sense. I've gone to events and workshops and different things. I'm gonna fold these and put these in here. In different places, and it's like, why are we sitting here waiting? What's the whole point? No, respect the people that respected the fact that you said 7 o'clock, or that you said 5 o'clock, or that you said 2 o'clock. Ain't no way we should be waiting around for people. I was somewhere and the guy has said, well, we said 7 o'clock, but we meant 7:15. That we were going to start at 7:15 because if we told you 7:15, you would have came at 7:30, right? Well, then that means that those people would have just got there at 7:30. So don't say a time and then the people that get there on time, right? We got to sit around for extra 15 and 20 minutes. That don't even make no sense to me. And see, that's poor management. I don't like to waste my time. Period. Don't play with my time. And I think that only comes for a lot of times from people that just ain't got nothing to do with their time. A lot of us do a lot with our time. Stop playing with our time. Cause see, I'll get up and leave. I ain't got no problem with that. You don't get to monopolize and misuse my time. You're not doing that. You don't get to do that. But anyway, this is my third order. I'm not gonna do all of them on video. Just wanted to show you guys how I do this. So I got 5 orders to get out today. Well, these 5 for today. And then I got more orders that came in this morning. So I need to pack all that stuff up. But that's jewelry. So all that stuff will be packed up. And then I'll take it all to the post office later on today. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys kind of a little process for the beads to get the bead orders out. And do me a favor. Make it an absolutely amazing day. And then we'll talk.